Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Resendez. I work for a Strong House. Right now I'm located in 15808 Glenwood, Overland Park. I'm by the left side of the house. I'm about to perform a repairability test just because insurance they didn't want to approve the roof. They're only buying the 6 box vents. I'm here to demonstrate that we cannot change the box vents without damaging the shingles. So here I am. I got a claim number. So the claim number, it should be 1699W249C. Alright, so as you can see, this is the size of the shingle that I'm gonna be removing. Obviously I did too big, but in order to take off these shingles I need to break the seal about this one, and this one. So 2 above the one I'm gonna take off. Obviously we're using this and taking off the fasteners. So here I am. I'm gonna try to do it gentle as possible. As you guys can see, I'm damaging the shingles. This is too tight. As you guys can see, it's hard to break the seal without damaging the shingles. Here's one part, this another side. As you guys can see, I already broke the seal about those two, well, three in total. Now I'm about to take off the fasteners. Okay. As you guys can see, this is the shingle. I'm about to measure it. About 11 inch, 11, almost a quarter, a little bit more. That's 13 inches and a half. That's 39 inches and a half. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, since you can see I've been damaging the shingles by taking all the fasteners, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna do the new shingle and then put the new fasteners and then seal it. Alright, now it's time to put the new shingle. As you can see, it says 2045. I don't see much details on it. Alright, it's time to put the new shingle then. You can see this part, it's getting a lot of damages just by breaking the seal. Alright.